Fail-proof composting is a simple and beautifully illustrated magical journey into the world of repurposing your trash and feeding the soil revolution. This entire garden is growing in 6,000 pounds of trash that I converted into soil by composting, using a method that's easy and stink-free. Hi, I'm Kristi, and this is my garden, Miracle Haven. My composting journey began because I wanted soil for a raised garden bed, but all my personality and love for teaching others pushed a book out. This book is about so much more than composting trash. It's about taking something that appears broken and useless, seeing the potential in it, and using it in such a way that it becomes healing. Miraculous, amazing trash can be transformed to heal the earth. I spent 8 years photographing, testing, documenting, and simplifying the process into 10 easy facts and created a beautiful compost book that makes so much sense I believe anyone can succeed. It's called Fail-Proof Composting. Turn veggie scraps, junk mail, coffee grounds, and leaves into rich garden soil, fast, easy, and stink-free. So here's where I need you. I'm asking you to jump in and learn to compost your own trash because it's easy, and join the soil revolution wherever you are in the world. I teach you in this book how to take your trash that's compostable, put it in this bin, transform it in a little bit over a month into amazing nutrient-rich soil instead of sending it to the landfill. I got 52 pounds of soil out of that bin. This January, the Kickstarter community funded a field test version of my book and agreed to give me feedback. Thank you. I've gotten success stories and helpful evals from cool people coast to coast and begun teaching the method at home shows, eco clubs, and through social media. We, the Kickstarter community, can make a huge impact in our environment by fueling the home, education, and community-based soil revolution. I've already been contacted by wonderful people in Malaysia, New Zealand, Mexico, and Japan, so my dream is beginning to come true. Since my book is gorgeous full color, it's astronomically pricey to publish unless I order a large quantity. So please share this with friends and help me fund the final version of Fail-Proof Composting and release it throughout the US and internationally. Pledge for a digital download or get the print book, which is even more fun. I'll finish gathering all my data from field testers, make awesome updates to the book, and send it out by September. If you're super eager to get started, pledge for the Now and Then reward level and receive a Fail-Proof Composting field test book now, plus the official book when it's released then. If you'd like my assistance as a compost coach, scroll down the list to choose that option. There are also fun events to choose from if you're in the area. Fueling the soil revolution means educating friends and families about how easy it is to make a difference. So join the soil revolution with us and gain heaps and heaps of compost for life. Thank you for backing me, sharing, and helping us search for rebel composters who want to keep perfectly compostable trash out of the garbage smasher. My hubby and I established Rebel Compost a while back because we wanted to fuel the soil revolution, influence composters around the world, and update the image of composting. It's really a fun thing to do.